So hi guys, today we are if you got any cough, cold or something, you want to drink milk, hot milk. So in the milk you saw in the first we put little turmeric and hot milk on the stove, and now we have some jaggery and we have 3, 2, 1 and some pepper. So guys, we just put some little more pepper and little more turmeric and mix it little. So it's good for health, and if you have any cough or cold, it will help you to cure. It's helpful. So bye guys, and subscribe to Cars Fun, and don't forget to ring the bell and like, share and subscribe to Cars Fun. Bye.